Hello, everybody. Nice to see you here. And today I will take you a special travel, and I will take you to buy the car to from my home to the factory, so we can see the good lake in our beautiful city, Chizhou City. So you can see the biggest lake in our city here, and also the beautiful bamboo. So you can see how it's beautiful here. Okay, let's go. It is at the common road which we worked the travel, meaning how to see the travel the travel to our factory. So you can see the lake here because it is raining. It's raining today. And no so many cars. 刚开始其实我还是有点紧张，也不知道该说什么。Oh. If some people was familiar with our company, that our colleagues so usually talk about our machines, about some CNC machines or some manual machines, and see a special way to check how to go to our factory. And how maybe the machines was nervous, but the good life is very interesting. Usually we take about 20 minutes from our home to our factory, and every day we drive in this way in this road. The Chizhou city is not a big city, but very good for life, and we are very near to Nanjing and Shanghai. There is a very convenient way to come. Because of the virus from in 2019, some foreigners, friends cannot come to China to visit the factory. So I think it is the good way to take you to check our factory from the on the way to it to check. We also hope that can make the world small as before, and the business will be more easy. A lot of bamboo here. And here it is very quiet countryside. The air is very fresh. 能听到音乐吗？ Maybe 5 minutes can be arrived to factory. So the whole time from our home to here will be about 15 or 20 minutes. Because it is very cold, it's cold in summer day today. Usually in summer, we have to short the working time for our workers because the government will control the working time for every factory. So if you order the machine now, and the delivery time will be a little delay because the workers have to rest, have the enough time to rest in summer day. Normally we have 8 or 10 hours per day for working, but in summer when the temperature more than 35, the government will control the working time from 8 hours to around only 6 or 7 hours. So normally the delivery time of the machine around 40 days, and now maybe around needs at least 50 or 60 days. And also the factory now is very busy because order in this year so many. 这地方红灯我差点都走拐了。And next we will go into our industrial zone. $15分钟了吧？要不下雨就好了，可以站在门口说呀。还要下雨，猜不到什么，介绍不了公司。这个是执行的。因为工作的原因呢，山里陪伴外婆的时间是很少的。直到老人家去世，他才黯然感慨，有些人错过了就是一辈子。朴实的歌词当中，他们是最难以释怀的。Here we are in the industrial zone in our city. So many factories here. And next one is our factory. It's here. We're outside the factory here. .这里常常用那块快的，做起来慢就用。门口摆一把雷锋。And here we arrived to the factory here. We will go straight this way and to our workshop first to see the machining. Okay, we arrived. 你从那边不好走吧？等一下，我先下去。你看人，你不得下去吧？And now we arrived to our factory here, and today we have a customer in here to check the machines before delivery. So next we can see how our engineer to operate the machine and make the machining for the parts. Maybe it is very interested you are. So let's go to our factory to see how it's doing. Okay. It is our factory, WMTCNC, and usually we make the lab shoe here for the machines, but now we deliver all the machines out, and so you can see that we have no so many machines in stock. And okay, let's go to see here. And our engineer is testing the CNC lathe machine. If someone is very interested in our machines, you are not, maybe you are not you are very familiar with this mini CNC machine model CNC 20210. It is very good mini CNC machine. Good for education, good for working. And today we just see that, okay, the engineer now is testing the machine. This CNC machine, this CNC was with the collet chuck today, and not with the manual 3-draw chuck. It is different with the previous one. It is an update. And also you can check the here. It is contours, not the tour, not the 4-station tour post. It is very efficient for the machine work, the machining. 你看一下它怎么操作的吧，看一下。你现在在做了吧？
只要眼看它走就行了。
对啊，就是你操作就行，你一边做就可以了，不用搞什么。这个冷却是标配吗？不是吧？Current working， 最好拉进来一点，看一下这边。但是我看到你这个好像有点抖没讲好是吧？没事，你正常操作就可以了，正常操作就可以了。It is a pneumatic chuck and very easy to clamping or unclamping the workpiece. Toolbox here, and also put so many tooling. The lubrication and the coolant. Lubrication is manual lubrication is the standard, and automatic one is optional, and also it is the cooling system. It's also standard for this machine. It is the CNC controller, which is a Chinese brand, and you also can change the CNC brand, this Chinese brand to GSK or Siemens, or but Fanuc is not good for this CNC mini machine, because the Fanuc system price, it is nearly the same as the machine itself. So it is it is not good, not an economic one to this model. Okay, we check the back of the back of this machine. 往上拉一点吧。The beautiful three color working lamp here. 还是让它按照正常的加工。这个做不了是吧？没有头夹可以装吗？就是那你正常的就是操作一下不行吗？就是对，就拍一下就是你的工作状态就可以了，没关系的。就正好这个有在正常的加工多好。 The engineer is change the collet to for the another workpiece for next working. 这个小一点是吧？还是一样的。The collet chuck it is more easy to clamping the workpiece than the stretcher chuck. Save more time and more easy, and also efficient. 往上面。Okay, the engineer is testing the machine. 你现在是要测什么？螺纹，螺纹吧。He's working for the threading of this bar. 哎，这个冷却液是本来就是绿的吗？他在操作的时候你看一下。拉近一点，能看到。看不太清。上面可以吗？不清楚，看得不清楚。It's not very clear, right? 哦，
先用玻璃挡的。
这个能拿出来，拿出来就断电。
有水。
你不用冷却呢。
就是那个316不就很硬的。
哦。
你贴到玻璃上就可以了。
不行，因为有水渍，贴玻璃也还是。
你这个不是螺纹吧？是外缘吧？
看不见。
And now it's threading touching. 这是哪里？这有客户了，可能。是一把刀在做还是2把刀？你这是1把刀在做还是2把刀在做？2把同时做？1把吧。对，你把它拿出来之后给看一下。Okay, let's check the finished part. 这个可以那个的是吧？这是他的吗？这个这是小的。这他换了一个棒子。 the material of this bar is very the hardness is very hard.
手不要动，因为这个
手不动。可以磨一下吗？这个感觉。这个最好有东西给它套上去最好了，有吗？来把那个上面螺帽，套一下，给它演示一下好了。摸黄。然后讲一下，你这顺反了吧？
反了，这反了。
对呀。
讲一下工艺。
哦对，反了，这个反了，要解读。
It's forward.
习惯性那个。
Okay, it is nice. It's very suit for this. The threading is very good to suit here. Only one time up to finish. Okay. 27。再说点啥呢？然后把这个棒子看一下吧。这个里面还有其他的。这个是很多的这种，这个吗 ？And there is many size of this palette for choice. You can see, you can check, can work for different diameter of this work bar, and this one is the diameter, the drawing for from our customer. And it can make from the bigger one or to smaller one. Just select smaller one, also the smallest. And you see it is 5C and this size and this size, and also have a bigger size to choice. It is just you like which size you need. And you also can send us the drawing, so our engineer can give you the recommend chart for the machine. Okay. So very pleased to show our machines here, and you can see all the factory of our all the machines here. This way is for the CNC assembly. And also this part is for the manual type. We also have some multi-purpose machine for the manual type, and also go straight that way. It is our milling and drilling, manual drilling and milling machine, which was popular more than 20 years. Maybe I was in high school. This machine was very popular, and also till now it is also very popular to our agents. And also this is our old factory, and maybe after 2 months later we will remove to our new factory, and that way we can show more beautiful and more bigger workshop to show you here. And you see here, it is very crowded and very busy in this year. And this part was under assembly, and also this part was testing before delivery. So every line and was in order. Okay, it is for the packing. Under packing, the machine was under packing, and this one was finished packing before the delivery. Okay, thanks so much for today, and hope next time we can show our new factory to you, and also share our new product to you. If you have the new design CNC machines, we will inform you here or inform you by website. And if you are very interested in our product, you can check with our Alibaba website to be my fans. That we can recommend you so many machines by your phone, and also contact with us by email or by WhatsApp or by WeChat. Every contact for you freely. So thank you so much today. Bye bye.